makes it easy to save and reopen your whiteboard sessions. To save a whiteboard session, go to the menu button at the top of the toolbar and select Save or Save As. There is also a quick save icon directly below the menu. You can save to your ActiveConnect's internal storage, or if you have a USB drive connected, you can select External Drive to save it there. All whiteboard sessions save as a .pwb file, which stands for Promethean Whiteboard. Use the keyboard to retitle your file. Whether saving to internal storage or an external device, you can save to the default folder, select an existing folder, or create a new folder using the folder icon in the top right corner. Once you have selected the location and adjusted the title, click Save. To open a saved whiteboard session, go to the menu, then Open. Choose the file saved to your internal storage or from a connected USB drive. Now you can continue with the lesson you started earlier. You can always use Save As to save it as a new updated version.